Welcome to this tutorial video for the Mini Niche Site Maker. I'm just going to quickly talk you through the steps to create your own mini niche site using this software. Now before you begin, there are a few things that you need to have at hand. You need your Google AdSense code, your Amazon affiliate ID and your Add This IDs, 6 products that you've chosen on Amazon that fit your niche, and 11 articles for your niche, either PLR or written by yourself. You'll also be asked for a header graphic which must be 790 by 150. You can either make one yourself quite easily or else outsource to somewhere like Fiverr. So what I'm going to do is open a site I have already created and talk you through each of the steps. Okay, now this site is a site on Stop Smoking. I'll just go into my browser and show you. This is the site. We have articles down the left hand side, links in the shop to Amazon products related to the niche and the main article. So if we go back to the software, you enter the name of the site you're building, in this case Stop Smoking. And hold on a second to move this over. The web address for the site, it's very important that you include the trailing slash at the end. This is where you're going to upload your site. Title of the main page, description for the main page for the search engines. This is where you put in the graphic for your header, which must be 790 by 150. Your Add This ID. If you haven't got an Add This account, there are instructions at the bottom. The web address where you go to is addthis.com to create a free account. Then your Amazon.com affiliate ID and your AdSense ID. Then enter a name for the store part of your site. The heading you wish to appear above the links on the main page. I have just done shop. And the heading to put above the list of articles in the sidebar. Okay, we're now on to the articles. Here you put in the title of the article that will appear on the front page. So what I have is Easy Steps to Stop Smoking. Go back to the main site, here we are, Easy Steps to Stop Smoking. Next is the keywords for that article. Now the body of the main article. You'll notice that as well as the text, I have put in these little BR tags to break up the paragraphs, to make it spaced out properly on the page. It's just quite simple to copy and paste between each paragraph. Then we're on to the rest of the articles. So with article title 1, and each one you enter keywords. Now by default it will include the keywords that you included on your main article, but you can edit these as you go along. So I'll just scan through the 10 articles. Now we're on to the headline section of the site. If we go back and look at the site, there's a link at the bottom to news headlines. So this works on an RSS feed, which brings in recent stories related to the keywords that you enter, as you'll see in a second. So enter the description for the headlines section, the headlines title, and the keywords. In this case, put a plus sign between each keyword rather than a comma, otherwise you'll get some rogue results. Now we're on to the Amazon products. So what you need for each product that you're listing on your site is the ASIN number and the title. So if we go to Amazon, this is one of the products I have. We scan down, you see each product has an ASIN number. So we just copy that, paste it in here, and then go to the next one, and it's the product name. So again, just copy and paste. In this case I've taken a slightly shortened version. And you do this for 6 Amazon products. Pick the products most relevant to your niche. Next, right, when you get to the end of product 6, what we have here is build site. So first thing to do before you do that is save your site so that you can go back and edit it. In this case, I will just save as existing, yes. Now click build site. That will ask you where you want to save your site to. So in this case I'll put it in here. Okay. You wait a couple of seconds while it creates the site. Now it will open the folder where you saved all your files and also open an instruction page. So this is now what you have to do is upload the files to the folder you specified, and it should say there what you specified, and that's it. Any questions or queries at all, just drop me an email. I'll get back to you as quickly as possible.